Before my surgery, they used to stop the pain. Correct answer is A, isolation, B, referral, C, anesthesia, or D, nausea.
Welcome to Lingo Ladder. Today we'll learn useful words and phrases about going to the doctor. This video is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, new words. Part 2, quiz. And Part 3, conversation. Let's get started. Part 1, new words.
1. Specialist. A specialist is a doctor who focuses on one area of medicine. 2. Referral. A referral is when one doctor sends you to another doctor. 3. Urgent care. Urgent care is a place for quick help with non-life-threatening issues. 4. Anesthesia. Anesthesia is a medicine that stops pain during surgery. 5. Operation. An operation is a medical procedure to fix a health problem. 6. Recovery. Recovery is the time it takes to get better after being sick. 7. Infection control. Infection control means stopping the spread of illness in hospitals. 8. Contagious. If something is contagious, it can easily spread to others. 9. Isolation. Isolation means keeping sick people away from others. 10. Over-the-counter. Over-the-counter medicine is sold without a prescription. 11. Dosage. Dosage is the amount of medicine you should take. 12. Pharmacist. A pharmacist prepares and gives out medicine. 13. Side effects. Side effects are unwanted reactions to medicine. 14. Physical therapy. Physical therapy helps your body heal through exercise. 15. Vital signs. Vital signs are basic health numbers like temperature and pulse. 16. X-ray. An X-ray is a photo of the inside of your body. 17. MRI. An MRI is a scan that shows detailed images of your body. 18. Blood test. A blood test checks for problems in your blood. 19. Heart rate. Heart rate is the number of times your heart beats per minute. 20. Medical insurance. Medical insurance helps pay for doctor visits and medicine. 21. Nausea. Nausea is the feeling that you might vomit. 22. Vomit. To vomit is to throw up food from your stomach. 23. Dehydration. Dehydration happens when you lose too much water from your body. 24. Pulse. Pulse is the beat you feel when your heart pumps blood. 25. Medical record. A medical record has all your health information. 26. Screening. Screening is a test to check for diseases early. 27. Lab results. Lab results show the outcome of blood tests or samples. 28. Symptoms tracker. A symptoms tracker helps you monitor your health over time. 29. Follow-up. A follow-up is a later visit to check your recovery. 30. Healthcare provider. A healthcare provider is any person or place that gives medical care.
Awesome job! Before we jump into the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's go!
1. When you feel like you might throw up, you are experiencing
Correct answer is nausea.
2. A doctor sent me to a heart specialist. This is called a...
Correct answer is referral.
3. This medicine can be bought without a prescription.
Correct answer is over the counter.
4. They checked my heartbeat by feeling my...
Correct answer is pulse.
5. If a disease spreads easily to others, it is...
Correct answer is contagious.
6. She went to quickly treat her sprained ankle.
Correct answer is urgent care.
7. What is the detailed scan that shows images inside the body?
Correct answer is MRI.
8. The nurse said we're all normal today.
Correct answer is vital signs.
9. After surgery, the time you need to get better is called...
Correct answer is recovery.
10. A person who prepares and gives out medicine is a...
Correct answer is pharmacist.
11. This document keeps all your health information.
Correct answer is medical record.
12. Before my surgery, they used to stop the pain.
Correct answer is anesthesia.
13. He needed after his knee injury to help him move again.
Correct answer is physical therapy.
14. I use it to check how I feel every day.
Correct answer is symptoms tracker.
15. The nurse said my was a bit high after exercise.
Correct answer is heart rate.
16. After my checkup, I have a appointment next week.
Correct answer is follow-up.
17. The flu is very and can spread quickly.
Correct answer is contagious.
18. They did to look for early signs of cancer.
Correct answer is screening.
19. If you lose too much water, you may have...
Correct answer is dehydration.
20. The doctor looked at my before giving any medicine.
Correct answer is lab results.
21. When you throw up, it means you...
Correct answer is vomit.
22. Insurance that helps pay for treatment is called...
Correct answer is medical insurance.
23. This is a photo of the inside of your body.
Correct answer is X-ray.
24. When sick people stay alone to stop spreading illness, it is...
Correct answer is isolation.
25. Unwanted reactions to medicine are called...
Correct answer is side effects.
26. The doctor is in skin problems.
Correct answer is specialist.
27. You must follow the right when taking medicine.
Correct answer is dosage.
28. Any place or person who gives care is a...
Correct answer is healthcare provider.
29. These numbers include your temperature and blood pressure.
Correct answer is vital signs.
30. If you feel sick after eating, you might have...
Correct answer is nausea. You've done an amazing job so far. Now let's move on to part 3, the conversation. We'll use the words we learned in a fun dialogue. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hi, my family doctor gave me a referral to see a specialist.
Welcome. You can wait in the urgent care room.
Good morning. I see you're here for an MRI and a follow-up.
Yes, I had an operation last month and I'm still in recovery.
Let me check your vital signs and look at your lab results.
Sure, I brought my medical record and medical insurance card.
Thanks. Have you had any side effects from the anesthesia?
Just some nausea and light vomiting the next day.
That's common. Make sure to stay hydrated to avoid dehydration.
I've been drinking lots of water. My pulse and heart rate feel normal now.
Good. Do you have your X-ray or screening report with you?
Yes, the pharmacist also told me how to handle my dosage.
Excellent. Are you using any over-the-counter medicine too?
Just some painkillers I bought last week.
Make sure to track your symptoms with a symptoms tracker.
I use an app every day for that.
Great. Based on everything, I think you're healing well.
Thank you. I'll schedule my next follow-up soon.
Before you go, one more thing. Are you aware of infection control measures?
Yes, I wore a mask and stayed in isolation at home.
Perfect. That helped stop anything contagious from spreading.
Also, I checked with my healthcare provider about vaccinations.
That's smart. Did they update your medical record?
Yes, they included my last flu shot too.
All right. I'll send the full report to your specialist.
Thanks again. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Take care and contact us if your lab results change.
I will. Have a great day. Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon.